Preparation and ideation. This piece of pine wood has truly beautiful grain patterns. Today, we're going to transform it into a unique vase. First, I'll saw off the excess wood to create a more manageable shape. Then, I'll mark the center of the wood and securely mount it on the lathe. With the wood firmly in place, we can begin shaping the vase. Basic shaping. Using a turning tool, I'll gradually shape the vase, forming the body, neck, and base. Observing and analyzing the wood grain at this stage is crucial. I'll try to take advantage of the natural grain patterns to create unique and striking designs.
This stage is called rough turning, where large gouges or roughing chisels are employed to remove excess material quickly. The craftsman typically works between centers on the lathe, allowing the block of wood to spin while the chisel cuts away chunks, forming a rough, cylindrical shape. Precision is not the focus at this point. The goal is to establish the general proportions and eliminate unnecessary wood. Once the rough silhouette of the vase is visible, finer tools are introduced in subsequent stages to refine the shape further. Throughout this process, attention is paid to maintaining the wood's balance to avoid uneven spinning or potential cracks.
Detailed shaping and separation. To create a complete vase, I'll separate the body and the neck. This separation will allow me to work on each part in more detail. Surface finishing. After achieving the desired shape, I'll sand the vase to create a smooth surface.
The interior of the vase is hollowed out carefully, ensuring a uniform thickness throughout. This step requires precision and skill, as uneven thickness can weaken the structure of the vase or affect its balance. The craftsman uses specialized hollowing tools to gradually remove the wood from the inside, starting from the top and working down towards the base. The goal is to create a smooth and symmetrical interior while preserving the vase's strength.
Once I'm satisfied with the shape of both parts, I'll use a specialized adhesive to securely join them together.
The sanding process is typically done in several stages, starting with coarse grit sandpaper to remove rough spots and imperfections. Gradually, finer grit sandpapers are used to achieve a silky smooth finish.
Then I'll apply oil and epoxy to polish the surface, highlighting the wood grain and protecting the vase from environmental damage. Finished product and significance. And there we have it, the finished vase. Every grain in the vase tells a story of nature's wonder and the craftsman's meticulous work. I hope this vase will not only be a decorative item, but also hold a special meaning for its owner.